Looking for quick, guilt-free snack ideas you can whip up in just 30 seconds? Imagine satisfying your cravings while also nourishing your body with simple and wholesome ingredients. No need to compromise on taste or time. We've got you covered. In the next few minutes, we're going to uncover 5 fantastic snack ideas that are not only delicious, but also easy to prepare. Each one packed with nutrients to keep you fueled throughout your day. Stay tuned to discover 5 snack ideas that will fuel your day without weighing you down. First on the menu, we have the classic combo of banana with peanut butter. Simply grab a ripe banana and slather a generous tablespoon of peanut butter on top. The banana brings a natural sweetness and a good dose of potassium to the table, while the peanut butter rounds it off with a kick of protein and heart-healthy fats. This dynamic duo not only satisfies your sweet tooth, but also keeps you fueled. In just 30 seconds, you've got yourself a protein-packed, delicious snack. Next up, we have a savory treat: celery sticks with cream cheese and everything bagel seasoning. Start by filling crisp, hydrating celery sticks with creamy, flavorful cream cheese. Then, give it a sprinkle of everything bagel seasoning for that extra kick of flavor. This snack not only pleases the palate, but also packs a health punch. Celery is known for its high water content, while cream cheese is a great source of protein and calcium. This crunchy, creamy snack is as satisfying as it is healthy. Our third snack is a colorful skewer of cherry tomatoes, mozzarella balls, and fresh basil. It's as simple as threading these 3 ingredients onto a toothpick. The burst of antioxidants from the tomatoes pairs perfectly with the protein-rich mozzarella, which also supplies a good dose of calcium. And don't forget the basil. Its fresh aroma brings the whole snack to life. Each bite is a flavor explosion, making this easy-to-assemble snack a go-to for anyone on the move. This simple, flavorful snack is a feast for both the eyes and the palate. Fourth on our list is a classic Japanese snack: edamame with sea salt. To whip up this quick, guilt-free snack, all you need to do is microwave a handful of frozen edamame as per the instructions on the package, then give them a generous sprinkle of sea salt. The magic lies in the simplicity. Edamame is an excellent source of plant-based protein and fiber, and the sea salt elevates the flavor, offering a delightful balance. This snack is not only delicious, but also packed with plant-based protein and fiber. Last but not least, we have whole grain crackers with tuna salad. Start by topping off your whole grain crackers with a scoop of tuna salad, a blend of canned tuna, Greek yogurt, diced celery, and a squeeze of lemon juice. This snack is not only easy to assemble, but also packs a nutritious punch. The whole grain crackers provide dietary fiber for digestion, while the tuna salad offers lean protein. This snack offers a satisfying crunch and a protein boost to keep you going. And there you have it, 5 guilt-free snacks you can prepare in 30 seconds. From the potassium-packed banana and peanut butter combo to the antioxidant-rich cherry tomatoes and mozzarella skewers, these snacks are flavorful, balanced, and quick to assemble. They'll keep you satisfied and fueled throughout your day. So, why not make them part of your daily routine? If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more quick and healthy snack ideas. Happy snacking!